G'day guys, Josh from Wedgetail Rack. So we've got a Wedgetail Trade platform here. So if you're a chippy and you carry timber, sheets, all that kind of building material, we're gonna have a little bit of a look at how we recommend to tie things down. So what I've got fitted to this platform now is our crossbar mounted ratchet straps. So you have a separate strap, which is about 2 meters long, and then you have a stainless ratchet strap assembly which stays on the platform. You can't take it off, but it's designed to stay out in the weather. We have an eyelet over the other side, which I'll hook this end of the strap to. So I always like to do a choke hold. So I pass over the top, back round underneath, and choke it like that. Then we'll pass it back through our strap. I always come back out the back side of the strap just to make it easier for me. Pull it tight. And tie it up. With the excess, my preferred method is to fold it over my hand, make an open roll, pass a loop through the loop, and back over like that, pull tight, and tuck it underneath. That way, when the wind comes over the roof rack, this will sit nicely under here. Very, very solid.